I spent 40 hours building something I thought people needed. Posted it everywhere. 22 Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Reddit, 8 views, 0 sales, and 0 comments. But what happened next changed everything. Let me show you the easiest view planning content I've ever found. I'm Alen, currently in college. 2 weeks ago, I decided I don't want to depend on a degree. I wanted to build something online, something real. But here's the problem I had. Content planning was pure chaos. Ideas scattered everywhere. Phone notes, Google Docs, random papers. Every week, 4-5 hours just trying to figure out what to post. By the time I organized everything, I was too tired to actually create. As a student, I don't have 4-5 hours to waste. And the worst part, every system I tried made it more complicated, not less. So I asked myself, what if planning content could be simple? What if I didn't have to think so hard? That's when I built this. Here's what I realized after getting 8 views. I was doing what every failed creator does, creating and dumping. Post everywhere, hope for the best, and pray someone buys. I posted in 22 Facebook groups. I wrote LinkedIn articles. I tried Reddit. I uploaded AI generated videos, spreading myself so thin that nothing could grow. And here's the worst part. I was selling a solution, not showing how easy it actually is. Every post was buy my templates. Not look how simple this makes your life. People don't buy systems, they buy simplicity. They don't care about 6 Notion templates. They care about not wasting 5 hours every week. That's when everything clicked. Someone told me, stop trying to sell, start showing how easy you have made it. And it hit me. I built these templates because I was drowning in complexity. I didn't want fancy systems. I didn't want 50 features. I wanted one simple workflow. Imagine you get up on one Monday morning and you know exactly what to post and you end up straight getting back to creating. That's it. So I built a system that does one thing really well. Takes the thinking out of content planning. No more. What should I post? Where did I save that idea? What's my content calendar? Just open dashboard, see the plan and execute. That's when I knew I had something. Let me show you how simple this actually is. Because if it's not easy, you won't choose. And if you don't choose it, it doesn't matter how good it is. This is the Content Creator Hub. It's 6 Notion pages that answer 6 questions. First, the dashboard. What am I posting this week? Second, the content planner. Where do I schedule my content? Third, the ideas vault. Where do I get ideas for tasks and workflows? What do I work on today? Fifth, the AI toolkit. How do I speed this up? Sixth, how to use guide. How do I set this up? 6 questions, 6 pages. That's it. Let me walk you through Monday morning. You wake up Monday, you open this. Everything you need to see is right here. This week's content at a glance. Today's priorities. Your best ideas ready to use, and exact tasks to complete. 10 minutes, that's it. No digging through 15 tabs, no wondering where you let off, no what should I do first. Just open, look, know exactly what to do. Next up, your content calendar. Every platform, every post, one view. You don't switch between apps, you don't maintain 5 different spreadsheets. Just add idea, pick date and track it. Drafting, creating, published. That's the only system you need. No complicated tags, no 20 custom fields. Simple works. Your idea bag. Every idea goes here. You tag it by platform, that's it. But here's what makes this easy. When you are stuck, you don't stare at a blank page. You click filter by ready to plan, your best ideas appear. You pick one, it moves to your calendar automatically. No copying, no pasting, no retyping. One click. Now execution. This page breaks content into tasks. Research, write, edit, publish, promote. Each task shows what to do, when it's due, and how long it takes. You never ask, what's next? The system tells you. No more, where do I start? What did I forget? Am I on track? Just look at today's tasks, do them, done. This is where it gets even easier. 30 plus AI prompts. You don't write them, you don't customize them. You just copy, paste into ChatGPT. Let me show you. I need 10 video title ideas. I copy this prompt, I paste it, I put my desired needs. 30 seconds later, 10 professional video titles. I didn't think, I didn't write, I didn't brainstorm. I copied, I pasted. Done. That's what easy actually looks like. And if you are thinking this looks complicated, don't worry, there's a complete guide. It takes just 5 minutes to set up, just 10 minutes for a daily workflow and 20 minutes weekly. That's it. You don't figure anything out. You don't design your own system. Just follow the steps. Day 1. Set up in 5 minutes every morning after 10-minute routine. Simple, repeatable, easy. Here's what Monday morning looks like now. Open dashboard, see the week. Pick idea from ideas vault. Schedule in content planner. Check today's tasks. Use AI prompts when needed. 10 to 20 minutes total. No thinking about what to do. No figuring out how to do it. The system handles the thinking. You handle the creating. That's the difference. Here's what I learned from getting 8 views. Nobody wants more features, they want less complexity. I spent 40 hours building this, but what people cared about wasn't the template, it was how easy I made it. When I stopped saying I have 6 templates and started saying you'll never waste 5 hours planning again, everything shifted. Because people don't buy systems, they buy simplicity. They buy getting their time back, and they buy not having to think so hard. And that's what this does. This is for you if you are tired of content planning taking forever. You want a system that's simple, not complicated. You want to stop thinking about what to post and start creating. And if that's you, this makes it easy. Not easier, easy. One dashboard, 6 pages, 20 minutes a week. Right now it's $29. 6 Notion templates, 35 AI prompts, complete setup guide. If it doesn't save you 5 hours in the first month, I'll refund you. But honestly, the best part isn't the templates, it's how simple this makes your life. No more chaos, no more 5-hour planning sessions, no more where do I start? Just open, follow the system, create, link in description. I'm 18, currently in college. I've failed 5 to 6 YouTube channels before this, but this one's different because I'm not trying to be fancy. I'm not trying to build the most advanced system. I'm just trying to make content planning simple for me, for you, for anyone who's tired of wasting hours every week. If you want to follow along, subscribe. I'm posting every week about what's working. Thanks for watching. See you next week.